What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from Fun Spot America in Orlando. And tonight is a special night because it is the 25th anniversary party for Great Coasters International. And tonight they have something special to reveal. We're going to show you it right now.
Absolutely.
I'd remember that, because that would be really annoying around the house. But,
maybe not.
You know why I got rid of it? See how
Back into the building.
I know, but it's over.
You understand that?
it's basically a cow. They just had a, there's a,
One way to do it. Pine Hill Road. Right up back summer. 7 points beyond.
Yeah, but how am I going to get the ground? You can't monetize Instagram. I'm like,
I get to kind of more but because we're literally on a raft. Raft is a little
I think that night
right in the middle.
yeah, I saw that.
No, freaking way.
It's just this one. This one tab. When it's actually on it's all.
So you may be asking yourself, where will we see some of this track installed first? Well, guess what? We're hearing here at Fun Spot America, White Lightning will get some of this new track as a test. But again, the big plan is for corkscrews and other awesome elements, hopefully in the future. But White Lightning has it first. Alright, so I wanted to go in detail about this piece of track and some of the things that I'm seeing observation-wise. So we have steel rivets right here, and these are industrial rivets. So, very interesting. They just drive it right through, all the way. You can see right on the bottom, part of that rivet right there. So again, track goes right there. But also interesting, they had to invent a special machine just to do the tabs on this, just to bend them. And the reason for that? Articulation. So as it's turning, doing inversions, twists, things like that, the tabs will be bent differently to adjust for that. But yes, this is just a straight piece of track right here. Again, industrial rivets. They have some right here that are up exposed, and then like over here, a flat one. And this one is really kind of important to be able to do some other things. I do think the rivets will be replaced with another material. I do think we're seeing kind of a first prototype here. It looks awesome. And you can see right here also. So this is steel, okay? This is wood underneath here. So basically this goes right on top of the wood, right there. They drive a bolt through so it holds it together. And you can see how it's elevated just a little bit so it can start doing a twist. But very, very impressive stuff. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Fun Spot America for Great Coasters International's 25th anniversary party. And we had a heck of a surprise with the announcement and release of this new piece of track. Could be a game changer, and hopefully we're going to have some installed very soon. We'll have more updates on it. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.